The Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister 2.5L Vacuum Cleaner NEN110A is designed for users looking for a lightweight and practical vacuum solution that can handle both carpets and hard floors. With its compact canister design and 2.5-liter dust capacity, this vacuum focuses on everyday cleaning convenience while offering the flexibility needed for different surfaces around the home. One of the main advantages of the WhirlWind is its lightweight design, which makes it easier to move around rooms, carry between areas, and store when not in use. Unlike larger vacuum systems that can feel bulky, a compact canister vacuum can be a useful option for apartments, smaller homes, or anyone who prefers a cleaner that is simple to handle during regular maintenance. The bagless design adds another level of convenience by removing the need to purchase replacement vacuum bags. The 2.5L dust container provides enough capacity for routine cleaning sessions, while the clear focus on easy operation makes this model suitable for users who want a straightforward vacuum without complicated features. Emptying and maintaining a bagless vacuum is generally a more direct process, making it a practical choice for frequent use. The NEN110A is built to clean both carpets and hard floors, giving it versatility for homes with mixed flooring. Being able to transition between different surfaces helps make it a more flexible cleaning tool rather than one designed for only a single type of floor. For everyday dust, dirt, and general household cleaning needs, this type of multi-surface capability can be especially useful. As a compact canister vacuum, the Eureka WhirlWind is focused on convenience and ease of use, rather than being a large, heavy-duty cleaning machine. Users looking for a lightweight vacuum for regular home upkeep may find its size and design appealing, while those needing specialized deep cleaning features or a larger capacity system may want to consider other options. Overall, the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister 2.5L Vacuum Cleaner NEN110A offers a balanced combination of portability, bagless convenience, and multi-surface cleaning ability. Its lightweight build and simple design make it a practical choice for everyday carpet and hard floor cleaning, where easy handling is a priority.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.